Right, so I haven't actually traded greyhounds even for a good couple of months. But the other night, my toddler went to bed, and my partner went to bed really early at the same time, and I was left on my own. So I thought I'd have a quick go. Really, all the horse racing had finished. So this is one later in the evening. This is 21:56 at Towchester. You can see there's just over 3 minutes left to go before the off, and there's already about £17,000 matched on the market, and 15,000 of that matched on the favourite there, Slow Down Sally. So looking at the market there, obviously we've got the Slow Down Sally's been hovering within a price range of between 2.0 and around 2.8. And it looks as though the Betfair graph is probably the last few minutes or so. It's been flat as a pancake, really. Looking at the rest of the market, we've got Bowles Bolt at around 6.0, Bull Run Joe at around 7.0, and I think I changed the it's a magical rider. I think I changed that to one of the other shorter price runners in a moment or so. But so my plan at this stage, I'm looking at it and thinking, well, it's 2 minutes 40 to go. If I joined the race maybe a few minutes ago, I could have scalped that favourite there. Probably made a nice bit of money doing that, really, but I joined a bit too late in the game. So I think scalping now is a little bit dangerous, as this is around the time the real money starts entering the market. And I'm expecting Slow Down Sally to either drift well above the price range it's set at the moment, so maybe go way above 2.06. Or go below 2.0 and keep on going. So I'm looking to swing trade this one. I look waiting for the indicator. Looking at Bowles Bolt and Bull Run Joe, they've started steaming in, so they're starting to come in a little bit, which means Slow Down Sally should then drift out. So I've put two lay bets in there, £27 each, at 2.16 and 2.14. I take out one in a moment just to reduce that risk. At 2.24, but kept one of the stakes in the market, so one of the bets is still out there. And what I'm hoping to do is let that profit run as long as possible, and get a few pounds out of this race in the next minute or so. Looking at the two greyhounds to the right, they're still steaming in, so I'm happy to leave the that stake in there on Slow Down Sally. You can see the weight of money behind it seems to be quite strong. So Slow Down Sally, it still seems to be going up a bit. But bearing in mind, Bowles Bolt is still coming in, but Bull Run Joe, that's starting to drift back out again. So the drift on the Slow Down Sally could stop at any moment. But I'm keeping a stake in the market because, I mean, Slow Down Sally's got the most money behind it. It's probably the strongest in the market at the moment, and that could probably dictate what's going to happen. At the same time, I'm thinking 2.5, Slow Down Sally's drifting up towards 2.5, which is a bit of a pivot point, and it could turn and come back down at any moment, especially as we've only got about 50 seconds to go. Bowles Bolt still steaming in there, so it's going down towards 4.0, so it's really good news for my bet there on Slow Down Sally. Getting towards 30 seconds left, so I'm thinking, the market's anything could happen now, so it could keep drifting out, and it seems to be coming back in again on Slow Down Sally. So I've entered a bet into the market of £27 to reflect that. Alright, so there's 20 seconds left to go. I'm just scurrying around now trying to follow that trend upwards, and I've got a few of the lay bets matched, and I'm just trying to take them out now at the available prices where possible. And I'm missing some of it. I only end up getting about £4.50 out of the race, but with 4 seconds left to go, it's time to hedge up, and there you go, so it's £4.50. Yeah, not too bad really. I mean, I think